Hello, if you enjoy or benefit from this video, please click like, subscribe, and add notifications below. Hello, and welcome to this edition of Accessible NJ Plus today, because we are about 45 minutes across the border from New Jersey in Kennett Square, Pennsylvania. It's Longwood Gardens, one of my favorite places on the planet. I just discovered this water tower slash waterfall lake only about 2 years ago. I've been coming to Longwood Gardens for about 10 years, but it's so huge and there's so much to do. It's 1,800 acres of paved and compact dirt paths, so there's a lot to cover. So today we're going to get up close to the waterfall. It's this gorgeous waterfall and an amazing clock tower right underneath. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope you get out and visit.